Most beginners jump into Forex with real money, and within weeks, their accounts are gone. Why? Because they never practiced the right way before risking cash. But imagine if you could train, build confidence, and even test strategies without losing a single dollar. The truth is, there are safe methods that prepare you for real trading. In this video, we'll reveal 5 of the safest ways to practice Forex, so you can avoid costly mistakes and start your journey with confidence. Practicing Forex safely isn't about avoiding risk forever. It's about creating the skills and discipline you'll need when real money is on the line. In this guide, we'll show you 5 proven practice methods, from demo accounts to backtesting, that every beginner can use before stepping into the live market. Start with a demo account. A demo account is every beginner's first training ground. It allows you to trade in real market conditions, but with virtual money. With a demo, you can learn how to place trades, set stop losses, take profits, and get comfortable with a broker's platform. For example, opening a $10,000 demo account lets you practice unlimited trades without financial consequences. The key is to treat it like real money, not play money, so you build good habits. Beginners who take demo accounts seriously gain the confidence to execute trades properly before touching their actual capital. Think of it as your Forex driving school. Use micro-lot trading on a live account. Once you understand the basics, the next step is trading with very small amounts of real money. This is where micro-lots come in. A micro-lot equals 1,000 units of the base currency, where each pip movement is worth only about 10 cents. This means even if the market moves 50 pips, your total loss or gain is around $5. It's affordable but powerful because you start to feel the real emotions of trading: fear, excitement, and discipline. Unlike demo accounts, micro trading bridges the gap between practice and reality. It's the safest live environment for beginners to learn psychology. Paper trading and journaling. Paper trading may sound old-fashioned, but it's one of the most effective practice methods. Simply write down your planned trade, entry, stop loss, target, and reasoning on paper or in a spreadsheet. Then, check how it would have turned out without placing a real order. Keeping a journal of these trades builds discipline and forces you to analyze your decision-making. Over time, you'll spot patterns in your mistakes and strengths. Journaling also teaches patience and consistency, 2 traits many beginners ignore. Even seasoned traders rely on trade journals to refine their approach. For beginners, it's a zero-risk way to build critical thinking. Backtesting strategies. Backtesting is testing your strategy on historical price data. Let's say you want to use a moving average crossover on EUR/USD. Instead of jumping into live markets, you scroll through past charts and see how your strategy would have performed over weeks or months. This instantly shows whether the system has potential or needs adjustments. The benefit of backtesting is simple. It saves you money by filtering out weak ideas before you risk real funds. While past results don't guarantee future success, backtesting builds confidence and teaches you how different conditions affect performance. It's like running rehearsals before the real show. Simulated trading apps and tools. Today, many brokers and platforms offer trading simulators that mimic live conditions. These apps replicate the speed, spreads, and volatility of real Forex markets, but without financial risk. Some even create challenges or competitions to make practice engaging. For example, you can trade during high-impact news events in a simulator and experience the intensity without losing money. Simulators combine the best of demo and live trading, helping you prepare for sudden spikes and slippage. Beginners who use these tools are better prepared for live trading pressure. Think of it as practicing in a flight simulator before flying a real plane. Forex isn't just about knowledge, it's about preparation. Rushing in without practice is like playing a professional sport without training. Demo accounts help you master basics. Micro lots introduce real emotions safely. Journaling builds discipline. Backtesting strengthens strategies, and simulators sharpen reaction time. These 5 safe methods ensure you're not just trading blindly. By the time you switch to a live account, you'll have the skills and confidence to protect your money and grow steadily. Exactly what most beginners fail to do. If this video gave you clarity on how to practice Forex safely, make sure to hit like and subscribe to Pip My Trade for more simple, beginner-friendly guides. Drop a comment below telling us which of these 5 methods you'll start using. Let's build safe, confident trading habits together.